After a month in Japan, I came home to a battle. A battle of staghorn algae infesting my scape. The culprit was me. My own negligence. I had left with an empty CO2 canister. Never again. The scape is dead. Long live the scape. The plan. So, dealing with a very small tank at only 16 centimeters high but 45 long, what I want to do is kind of create a river scene running through. So it's going to be kind of a mountain of pebbles and rocks. They are very round rocks, and it's going to be a challenge being so small to get the depth so it actually looks like a hill. I'm going to do sand in front and then kind of create a peak in the center. So if we look at it from the top side, so it's going to go around with a bit of silicone to hold the rocks in place around this edge, with the peak being the bigger rocks, sand, and then I'm going to put soil here to plant whatever I have, either some crypts, I don't remember the Latin name, or some Windelov, which I have just kicking around from the previous tank, which doesn't get planted, but I'll just shove that in between all the rocks. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so what I've done is I've already gone through the box. I've taken out the biggest ones because they're going to actually be the pinnacle pieces which I can use, and they're the focal points. 5 focal points and then the rest supporting. Stones, and well, just stones in this case. That's more or less the hardscape I've been going for, with the peak, with all the angles coming out from the center on both sides, kind of like lotus. And then, yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow we put in the soil, we fill it up, and maybe go to an essential shop to get some plants. Should be fun. After a quick run to the essential aquascaping store where I was able to pick up some plants and some fish, it's about time to get scaping. I'm doing a bit of a cheat here in that everything I'm putting in is stuff which I've already used in a previous scape. I'm using water from my existing tank, which is already has nutrients and is fully cycled. I'm using sand, media, everything is from a previous tank. I'm going to be just adding some Tetra sticks to my soil to increase the nutrients a little bit, but otherwise it's just time to get it going. We've got soil for the foreground, we've got pumice for background media, and we've got soil to put on top so we can get planting. Let's get scaping. Almost forgot. Time to put in some sticks. I'm just going to put in a handful. Let's give it a try. Time to siphon off some water. I think it's time. We can start to move the fish in. I think they're well adapted. And there we go.